everybody, how are you all? I miss your faces. I want to go over some of the things that we're going to do to kind of make this online learning portion work. So looking at my website first, I'm still going to be using it. I'm going to be posting weekly Google Slides of all the things that you have to do per week. When you click on it and hit present, you'll be able to navigate the document to do the week's work. Documents will be created in Google Classroom, so when you're done, hit submit to turn in the documents. If you want a refresher on how to use Google Classroom, I have a references tab linked on the COVID-19 tab. The second piece is the distance learning schedule. So we as Windsor High put out a calendar of kind of like what classes are going to be done at what times. I have it linked on my website. It's on that front page, along with there's going to be the week of what you're going to be doing and then the schedule of all of your other classes. The schedule here is just so you can like touch base with all of your teachers. I'm not going to be like on Zoom. You don't have to log in during those times, but just know that there is a teacher on the other side of the computer during those times to answer your questions. My office hours are Mondays 1 to 3, as well as Wednesdays and Fridays from 8:30 to 10 a.m. During these times, you can work on your science homework. Go ahead, go on my class website, look at what we're doing for the week, and if you have questions, I'm on the computer, and if you want to email me, I'll respond right away because literally I'm logged on. If you have any questions, if you want to go ahead and remind, text me. I have my phone. If you want to chat like face-to-face on Zoom, I have an online office hour, and that is on the Google Slides. It says like virtual classroom. Go ahead and click that. That is my virtual office hour. Email me, text me to say, hey, I want to pop on, ask you a question on Zoom, and we can jump on together. Again, if you want more of a face-to-face, otherwise email and text is how you can ask me questions based on assignments. The weekly assignments are going to be due at the end of the week. They have a due date on Google Classroom, so everything should be able to be done online. I'll have like either a link to a video or a lab, some sort of worksheet that you can do. All the instructions will be on there, and then it'll have a due date, and make sure to submit it. So on Google Classroom, if you don't submit it, it doesn't like turn itself in. Turn in the homework just like you usually would, and then I can grade it. The last part that I want to touch on is the time management piece. Now, all of us teachers, we're putting out all of our lessons, and they're all going to be due at the end of the week. So please, please, please have a schedule. Write the things down, because otherwise it'll get away from you and you're going to be doing all of your homework on Thursdays, which is not fun, right? If you look at the calendar that the school has put out, they kind of structured it so that you can do the assignments at those times, and there's a teacher on the other end of the computer. So while you're doing the homework, if you have questions, you can ask them, kind of like class. So that's why the schedule is structured like that. You don't have to log on for me, but if you have questions, please don't be shy. Ask, text, email, and I'll be there to help you with any questions that you have. On the website, I have a motivation study link. It's been there for a while. If you, like me, like to watch different like motivational videos, if you don't have a schedule in mind and want to kind of get a little inspiration, click through some of the videos. I have some apps as well for time management, things like that. If you want to go ahead and check it out, that's there for you. That's basically all that I have for how the online structure is going to work. Please don't stress out. We're all in this together. We're all doing this kind of for the first time. So it's going to be a learning process. And again, if you have any questions, email, remind, or Zoom, and I'll be there for you.